Today, we will show you how to remove index.php from URLs for Joomla 4 websites. When optimizing your website for search engines, it's important to make sure your URLs are SEO friendly. One way to achieve this is by removing the index.php text from your URL. To start, you need to locate the index.php file on your website. You can do this by visiting your website and clicking on the blog menu. Once you've found it, you can begin the process of removing it. To remove index.php, you'll need to access the Joomla control panel. From there, click on System and then Global Configuration. Once you're in the SEO options, you'll see that search engine-friendly URLs are enabled by default. Enabling the Use URL Rewriting option is the key to removing index.php. This will prompt you to follow some instructions and rename the file. Once you've renamed the file, save and go to your root directory. In your root directory, locate the htaccess.txt file and rename it to pohAccess. After completing these steps, you can visit your website and see that the index.php text has been removed from your URL. This helps to make your URL more SEO friendly. If you visit the article menu, you'll notice that it's now a completely SEO-friendly URL. By following these steps, you can ensure that your website is optimized for search engines, making it easier for your target audience to find you